In this video, I will show you how to add website link in YouTube description. To get started, what you want to do is come over to youtube.com and log into your account. Now, once you've done that, if you come up to the top right hand corner, click onto your profile icon, and from this menu, you want to click onto YouTube Studio. Once you're in your YouTube Studio, come over to the left hand side and click onto content. And then what you want to do is find the video that you want to add a website link to the description for. What I'm going to do is use the top video here, so how to link Steam to Discord, and when you actually hover over the video, you're going to see these different icons come up underneath your video title. What you want to do is click the pencil button to go into the video details, and from here what you can do is add your website link into the description. So the best way to do this is you want to open up a new tab and come across to the website that you want to add to your video description. So for example, if I come across to google.com, what you want to do is come and click into the address bar, which is going to highlight the entire web address, and then right click, and on this menu you want to click onto copy. Now once you've done that, come back to your video details tab, come down to your description and paste this wherever you want in your video description. You can put some text before if you want to as well, so I'm just going to put website. And then what you want to do is paste this into here. Now, one thing I want to note, which is really important, is you want to make sure that you start it with the HTTPS with the colon and 2 forward slashes. What that's going to do is turn it into a clickable link. So if you don't have this at the start, the link's not actually going to be clickable. Once you've done that, you can click save in the top right hand corner. And once you've done that, if we click to play this on YouTube, so here we are, and I'm just going to come down to my video description, click on more, and you can see the link has now been added. And because we've got the HTTPS, this is going to be a clickable link, as you can see. So that is how to add website link in YouTube description. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more YouTube and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.